Alright, so I'm recording, Joe. What we're attempting to do is, well, kill Joe. Somehow, his last character died, and,
We don't know how for sure.
we're not really sure how, so I found a truck, and his current character, he's been running to try to get to me, but he's starving, and, yep, there he is. I see him running down the middle of the road. Here we go, you ready, Joe?
Ready?
Wham!
Oh.
Oh my god, that was hilarious. Holy shit. Oh my god. Turn my field of view down. Whoa. Well, it sank.
That wasn't the direction I was hoping I was going to go.
Right? Damn. That motherfucker sank straight down. Alright, I'm saving that.
I am. I just think that's bullshit, man.
Whoa.
There ain't a goddamn thing in the first house I walked into. Oh yeah, there is. What is that? 380 ammo. Need that?
Yeah, I can take some 380 ammo.
Alright.
Oh god. Oh god. Oh god. I'm gonna die. I'm gonna die, Joe.
Why?
Because it just rolled the truck.
Are you dead?
Oh! I'll tell you when I stop fucking flying!
I thought duct tape and sticks made rats.
Oh my god! Oh my god! Oh my god!
Or I mean splint.
Oh my god! Oh my god! Oh my god! Oh my god! Holy fucking shit.
Oh shit, oh shit, oh shit.
There it is. There one of them is, anyway.
Shit!
How the hell did that happen, Joe?
Son of a bitch, okay, so I'm just going down the road. I'm just going straight.
How the hell did that happen?
And all of a sudden, like, I just froze. Oh dear God.
Oh yeah, I'm getting my ass kicked. Well,
Dear God, I'm gonna die in here.
why don't you turn the truck off and get out? Because, it's not...
Oh, look at it.
You're...
I see no full tank of gas. Oh my God, I'm on the side. This is crazy.
How the fuck did that even happen, dude?
I don't know, man. All of a sudden, it just started lagging, and I just froze in the middle. Oh God. Oh God. Oh God. Oh God. Are you watching this?
No.
Oh dear God.
Oh god, where'd it go? Oh my god, how did that... What happened? What happened?
Open the gate. Open the gate.
What happened?
I don't know. Get in here.
I don't want to die, Joe.
Oh my God.
Okay, there's...
A zombie started hitting it, and it just started flipping, dude.
Nice, and there's no damage to it. Alright, let me check the white truck.
What's that out there in the road?
How are you feeling? Did you go... What do you mean, what's that out there in the road? There's a truck right there. Do you not see it?
I do see that, but I'm
Okay, go ahead. Yeah. Okay, thumbs up. Yep. You're pretty. Now go run on that landmine. Nope. Do you see it in your vicinity?
Nope.
Well, hell.
Right here. Hold on. I'm in first person. Oh. Activate landmine.
Oh. Oh my god, holy shit. 1, 2, 3. Oh my god. That scared the shit out of me.
I started experiencing some lag, so...
And we just rolled, and we're rolling, and we're rolling, and we're still rolling. And we're now driving sideways, and we're back on the road. Boy, that was fucking interesting.
Does not show up in my vicinity. So I must use first person. It is directly right here.
Activate and
One of the
run.
truck.
Activate and
I'm
run.
going to stand up to activate, so hopefully I can run faster. I am pushing F now.
You knocked down a tree, Joe.
What happened to the truck?
It blew up, but you knocked down a tree too. To the dev team, because this is fucking weird. It just keeps going, dude. It's still going. It's still going. Holy fucking shit, that's cool. That's pretty. It gets even better.
I'm glad you're in the passenger seat, not me.
It's trippy.
Because, you wouldn't be, able to drive right now.
Yeah, it's pretty trippy, dude.
Be like, dude, I'm frying my balls off, I need you to drive.
Okay, the color stopped.